outside. House, garden. What is the best sheet we have? This one, 9.99. Corvette. Here is for bottom. Nice. 45. This one is 45. This is 59. Oh, so nice. Oh, this place is really big. And then they have this also. Wow. Okay, so this is for outside balcony. If you have outside balcony. Oh, this one is also nice.
Keep all your game. Highs and lows,
Bigger.
highs and lows.
79. 79 and
Say
7.
highs and lows, highs and lows.
This one is very nice, guys. You can fold. It's foldable. So if you have visitors, you can expand. And then if you don't have, then you can make it smaller.
Say highs and lows, highs and lows.
Really huge place. It's really huge. So nice. This is the real bamboo. They have this here also. But how much is the price? Is it this? The table is 69. Then the one is, oh, expensive, baby. 199. This one 199. And this is also separate price. No. Oh, nice. For the table is 99 for 270 set. So the price here is 270. So she's checking whether it's for the set. It's also with this, the table, and then this is really nice for the balcony. Let me see the price. Set already? 270. There. Two. It's already two. Two of this. What is the two? Two. Ah, they include the pillow also.